Wenpeng Group, a large-scale machinery manufacturing enterprise, integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. It boasts 60,000 square meter modern production base, 9 overseas bases including Poland, Turkey, Algeria, Indonesia, Brazil, and etc. Has built global service network to respond to customer needs promptly. Our purpose is customer first, quality first, honest management, and win-win. Providing one-stop, personalized, and high-quality cooperation experiences. Every process, from product design, welding, and assembly, debugging to delivery, undergoes strict quality inspection to ensure the high quality and safety. Wenpeng Group offers various types of equipment, such as excavators, loaders, bulldozers, lawnmowers, and tractors, which are suitable for the construction, infrastructure, and agricultural sectors. Our products are sold to more than 70 countries and regions, and enjoy high recognition. In the future, Wenpeng Group will continue to deepen its focus on the construction machinery field and empower global customers with better products and services. Welcome buyers and friends to join Wenpeng Group. Let's develop and create brilliance together.